up, family? Welcome back to another video. Hope you guys had a good day today. Following up with my 12 by 12 piece that I'm doing. This is for my TikTok sale at the end of February, February 28th at 8:30 p.m. Now, I've been hearing rumors that TikTok might not be here before then. If that's the case, then I'll probably do my stuff on YouTube, which I'm pushing more towards YouTube now. So if you want to reach me, I'll be at my YouTube. You can see my YouTube on my bio. So this is my sale I'm going to be doing on February 28th. I'm going to do all my 12 by 12s will be on sale, as well as my 11 by 14s. I've go ahead and decided that I'm going to go ahead and just do my 11 by 14s as well. They're all going to be sold at a discounted price, so I hope to see you guys there. Like I said, it'll be February 28th at 8:30 p.m. But for right now, I'm taking care of some 12 by 12 pieces. Show off more skill. And hopefully you guys pick something out that you like. We'll see what happens. But all in all, let's just get together, have some fun. If this app is going to go away, let's just go out with a bang. New friends, new followers, welcome to the family. Let us unite as brothers and sisters. If not here, then on Clapper, YouTube, Fanbase, Red Note. Let's join. The colors I'm using tonight are black, white, and red. I'm thinking about starting a new project called Black, White, and One Other Color, which is what I'm going to be doing. So black, white, and one other color. So let me know in the comments what the next color should be after red. But it's going to be black and white, but I'm going to have another color inside. So go ahead and help me choose the next color. Let me know in the comments what you think. What's your ideas? All right. Now let's see what we got here. Tilt and stretch. Ooh, I actually starting to like this one. Let's put this one up, tilt it and stretch it and see what we get. Very nice, very nice, very nice. Almost there. All right, all right, all right, right. Let's bring it back to center. We're gonna bring this back to center. Let's bring more of that red and that black out. That's looking pretty nice right there. All right. There you go. Damn, that's actually kind of nice. I really like that. I really like the way that looks. Got the red flowing through here. A little bit of a ripple effect right through here. I like that. Little bit of cell work. Not enough to take over, but just enough to give it some structure. I like it. All right, I like this one. I'm gonna let it sit. And my next video I do, I'm gonna go ahead and show this one after it dries, just to make sure it dried the right way. All right. Again, let me know in the comments what color I should do next. Black, white, and one other color. I started out with red. Let me know what other color I should do. All right. Till then, guys, I will see you again. Have a good night. Take care of yourselves. Peace.